golden rule, which is at the heart of every Rees leadership in recent years. We've continued this process of visiting each other's faith communities, sharing together, inviting others to be involved.
So if you come up on the stage, then we can see David cheering.
University of Michigan in Computer Science. Please welcome Paddy. And next panelist is the very Reverend Father Morgan Batt, Catholic parish priest from the Burleigh parish and is the Dean of the South Coast Diocese. And Hussain Baba, President of the Multicultural Social Network and Secretary of the Science Society of Gold Coast. Welcome. So when we talk about
everything is dharma. So whatever sustains is what we should focus on. So there are different types of sort of borrowing. So for example, during famine, people could borrow money, right?
DEVT. So it actually really means forgive those who try and forgive us the debtors against us, that we forgive those who try and use us. So many people in our world, my friends, what they want to do is get your money from you.
Assalamu alaikum. May God peace be upon one and all. Before I answer the question, I just want to clarify two terms, Islam and Muslim. People say when you mention Islam, it's peace. Well, the meaning of Islam is submission to the will of God, the Creator. And a Muslim is the one who submits to the will of God. Now, Sister Yasmin, whatever we do, it's all we follow the commandment of the Creator. Now, the Creator has said, debt, there's no problem. You can have a debt. That's permissible. You can borrow and lend. The only thing is, you can't pay interest on debt. That is forbidden. It's considered as one of the serious sin that one Muslim can commit if they deal in it.